Dan, did the crude market just wake up to the trade risk?
Yeah, I think so. I think you're just seeing a continuation in the selling pressure in the equity markets, and that's feeding into the commodity space. And when we look at crude, we saw some downside pressure, really a continuation. Now we're blowing through some stops here, Guy. We're blowing through some key technical levels, and I think that's why you're seeing this continuation of the downside.
In terms of what is driving it, as you say, it looks like we're blowing through some stops. How much of this is to do with gamma hedging as well? Is there a kind of a self-fulfilling selling session going on here that as the market goes down, it's just going to pull more and more sellers in?
Yeah, I think that's possible here, and you're seeing volumes definitely spike, and we're seeing options volumes pick up as well. So I think you're right. There is some gamma hedging, particularly if you're short the space, or you're short the volatility space within the oil construct. So when you look at what's going on here, Guy, I think it's the dialogue. It's really, you look at the geopolitical and the economic structures. They're both hot with fleas right now. I mean, there's just a lot of scratching going on, a lot of distractions, and I think you're seeing that play out in the equity markets, in the bond market, also in the oil space. And I think when you look at the dynamics, I mean, what's going on from the physical oil space relative to the futures, there's two different storylines there. So the futures were predicting down the line that oil was going to see some selling pressure, and maybe it's coming a little sooner than expected.